Imagine waking up to green lush gardens in an environment that has functional sidewalks and with a proximity to shopping centers, schools, hospitals and other social amenities. This is the mixed-use development idea that is gaining traction in Africa. And just like Tatu City in Kenya, this is the same story for Alaro City in Nigeria. It all began in November 2018 when a team from Nigeria came to Kenya for a benchmarking session in Tatu City. In February 2019, Nigeria's replica of Tatu City was born. The 25 billion shillings Alaro City, which is a mixed-use city-scale development. A year on, the project features industrial and logistics locations complemented by offices, homes, schools, healthcare facilities, hotels, entertainment, and 370 acres of parks and open spaces is taking shape, with 16 companies already designing or building their facilities. During this year's anniversary, the project, on a 2,000-acre piece of land, welcomed 6 more companies who have invested in Alaro. Among the investors are 2 Kenyan companies, such as Aerial Foods, which commenced operations after completion of its facility.
The best part about this is that we're going to ultimately get to using all local raw materials, create an environment, where we're actually helping thin wallets.
Nigerian government officials have hailed progress so far made, noting that public-private partnerships are the way to go for capital-intensive projects.
As a public-private partnership between Rendezvous and the Lagos State government, our goal is for Alaro City to become a veritable model for PPPs of this kind. We also intend for it to serve as a model for the kind of reasonably priced and climate-friendly urban developments that Lagos deserves as a 21st century mega city.
Rendezvous, the company behind Alaro City and Tatu City, said the influx of investors is due to the project's ideal location for transport and logistics, free zone status, secure land title, and high-quality infrastructure.
Alaro City is also a symbol of the massive demand in Lagos for high-quality, inclusive, city-scale infrastructure and developments. With the first 1,000 hectares of Alaro City activated, we already see demand way outstripping supply. And numerous investors are keen to bring capital to activate strategic locations as portions of the city's earmarked second 1,000 hectares, including waterfront access.
Kenya's real estate firm Universal Homes has also invested in the Alaro City, hoping to replicate what it has done at Tatu City in Nigeria. Universal Homes is constructing 500 apartments in its first phase at Alaro City and hopes to ultimately build 2,000 apartments at the project.
What has really attracted us here is the tax incentives that the Nigerian government have put in place inside the free zone here. We're looking at zero import tax, zero corporate tax, zero VAT, zero withholding. Basically, it's a complete tax-free zone. Yeah, and this makes a huge difference to investment.
In Kenya, Tatu City was expected to immensely contribute to home ownership and narrow the housing deficit. Despite the growth of the mixed-use developments, the Kenyan government insists that high costs of land are stifling the full exploitation of the potential of the sector.
If we can lower the cost of construction, then developers will do what they need to do, and these numbers will pale.
Among the farms that have set up at Tatu City are Unity Homes, Kijani Ridge, Nova Pioneer, Africa Logistics Properties, Dormans, Unilever, Chandaria Industries, Cooper's K-Brands, Davis and Sharleaf, Palmer Medical and Stakehole Corporation. Betty Kiptum, Channel 1 Business.